Now I love the D12, if only it looked good alongside my other WPLs. Oh yes, we ask, we get. Hey guys, welcome back, and here it is, the new Mini D12. This is from a new company called CXD. It's a partner company with WPL. Mr.Huang has designed this. This is literally a shrunk down version of the D12. It just looks identical to the 1/10th D12. There's a few subtle changes, and that would be the drivetrain. The original D12 is drive shaft driven to the rear wheels. If we take a look here, we've just got a 130 motor and gearbox directly hooked up to the rear wheels. But yeah, even the underside looks the same. We've got spring-loaded friction dampers all around. A little bit of flex out of this little cutie. Each corner has got a spring. Independent front suspension up the front. We've got headlights. And what's great about this, even though it looks like a little tiny toy, we have got proportional steering. And the steering lock is amazing. And we've also got proportional throttle. And what's good about this, I have got two settings. So if I push this button here, let me just quickly show you. Standard, we got normal speed. Push this button and yeah, we've got some extra speed. It's already been confirmed by Samux RC. Go check him out. That if we put some tape on the rear wheels, this thing actually slides around like its bigger brother. The battery lives under here. We got a little pull tab, and there it is. You've got a little 1-cell 1S battery there, guys. 500 milliamp, 3.7 volts. And you get a good half-hour runtime out of this. So if you can see that in there, we've even got a little scale interior. But if you're planning on putting a figure in, do keep in mind that the front shocks actually do protrude into the cab, and it could be a bumpy ride for your little figure. Every little aesthetic feature is identical to its bigger brother. So yeah, performance is obviously not as on par as the big boy. I've got the metal axles, the metal gears, the metal drive shaft in here. And whereas the big boy, there's lots of upgrades out there, 5mm hex and body kits. The downside to this is that the wheels seem to be press fitted on, so no doubt the 3D printing community will conjure something up for these little body kits and maybe some new press fit tires, and really make these things look the part like its bigger brother before it. Look at it in my hand, it is tiny, and as I said in the start of the video, this thing does actually look really nice alongside the other WPLs like the B series and the C14-24. It is now available to buy today. It is available exclusively to the Asia RC depot. So yeah, links in the description below, guys. Go pick yourselves one up. When this arrived, I was really surprised by the functionality. Really nice tight steering lock like its older brother. And the fully proportional throttle. You can get maneuver in really tight spaces. You got that rear bed there, so you can do some hauling. But it is pretty fast. I'll try and get some clips of it out in the wild, bombing along. And the spring suspension handles really well. Pretty soft up front, and then a little bit stiffer at the back, which is good. It means you can put a little bit of a load in there. It is the perfect size to carry a Game Boy Pocket. How cute is that? So we got a Japanese truck and a Japanese console. I mean, yeah, really happy with that. Quick chat about the remote. Like I've mentioned, we've got fully proportional steering, fully proportional throttle, and 2 speed settings. You've got a trim dial there, your on and off switch, your LED indicator, and it takes 2 AA's. Just a quick one today, guys, showing you the D12 Mini. It is so cute. That's the only way I can describe it. It is cute, and it goes perfectly alongside all my WPLs, which is pretty much what I've been asking for. Thank you very much, CXD, for fulfilling my request and giving us this little bad boy. And guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.